JJ the CPA here. Let's talk about financial plans. Wait, don't tune out, okay? You don't get to just use an app. That ain't gonna work. You don't get to just Google financial plan, go to Money Magazine. Those are great starters, but here's why you want a real financial plan. You want to sit down with a professional, is that it's more than just saying, what is it that I need in retirement, and then what do I need to save today minus what I already have. I mean, that's a math problem, right? That's not a financial plan. A financial plan is the plan. How are you going to get to that? Anybody can sit down with you and then say, well, hey, I did this quick calculation. You need to save $1,348 a month, and then you'll hit your retirement goal. Well, will you? I mean, are you putting it in the market? Is it in bonds? Are you putting it in some kind of whole life with some guarantees? Are you just putting the money in the bank? Is it investing into a company that maybe you're able to sell? Is it investing into real estate that you could sell in retirement? Is it based on rental income? Is it based on taking a second job? Is it based on maybe your spouse working or doing something in addition, a home-based business? It's the plan. Financial planning is just that, and getting with a professional that's doing a financial plan that's not necessarily there to sell you stock, not necessarily there to sell you insurance. Now, don't be wrong, if you're finding a financial planner, typically they're going to have that. But putting together a financial plan that is not contingent on buying something at the end. So doing a financial plan only for the sake of proving that you should buy something doesn't mean that that financial plan's no good. Not saying that at all, but it's not going to be as comprehensive, and it is more than saying, well, do $1,348 a month and you'll get there. It doesn't really put together a plan. So get with a financial planner that's going to look at not only retirement, but they're going to look at what's the income protection right now. Do you have enough disability income insurance? Are you in a situation where you have enough life insurance? Are you protected on your assets in terms of actually enough insurance? If you have a business, do you have overhead insurance? If you have a partner, do you have a buy-sell agreement that's funded with insurance? Also looking at retirement plan, but what if you fall ill in retirement? Should you have long-term care? What about getting in life insurance on your kiddos so that later in life, if they have a health condition, they're still able to get the life insurance because they already have it? Is there a situation where whole life would make sense so that you can have potentially some tax-free retirement? There's only one company to do that with, and I would love to be able to be the one that tells you about it. So you can email me at jj@jjthecpa.com, and I'll have a specific conversation with you about the one company that you would want to use for whole life insurance, and I don't think you would really want to work with any other, even though I can. All right, that aside, to say, when you're looking at a plan, you're looking at what's going on today. What are my taxes? How much am I actually giving up to the government? Should I have a business? If I have a business, should it be an LLC? Should it be an S Corp? Should it be a partnership? Follow the plan is the plan. It's the journey, right? An app is not necessarily a bad thing if you're just trying to figure out one thing, which is how much do I need to save for retirement. And here's what I would tell you. You need to save as much as you can, because the market's going to drop. You're not going to make as much as you think for the rest of your career. Maybe you make more, maybe you make less. What if you get disabled? What if you get divorced? What if you're in a situation where your kiddos have a situation where you're going to have to pay more? So you can't just sit there and figure out, well, what's the one number that I need to pay every single month to get to retirement? Retirement is just one aspect of the financial plan. So if you're getting with a financial advisor and they're selling stock and they present you with, we need to put $1,348 a month aside, that might be very much the case through stock. What you would also want to look at is, well, what other things should I be doing? And a good financial planner that is going to also sell you stock is going to be open to other ideas, like whole life insurance or real estate. There's not just one way to get there. It's a journey, and it's what's best for you. And you're not going to find that in a $4.99 app. You're not going to find that by Googling a website that gives you the calculation. You're not going to find that even if you are asked 48 questions by a website to put together the plan, because it's the plan, it's the journey. All right, hey, thanks for tuning in. If you like my videos, and I hope you do, I would love it if you'd subscribe. And then don't you ever forget, you've never met a CPA quite like me. Don't you ever forget, You've never met a CPA quite like me.